What's up guys, welcome back to Techmastery Pro. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot a laptop that is making a 3 long beep sound and a 2 short beep sound when you power on the laptop. So I'm going to be showing you 3 ways on how to fix this. Now this could be a software problem, and as well it could also be a hardware problem. So what you want to do here is to stick around to the end of this video and you just apply the 3 methods on your PC and you check any of these methods that will resolve the issue on your PC. Alright, so that being said, let's get started. Alright, so before showing you how to fix this problem, let me go ahead to power on the laptop. So I'll show you how it's making the beep sound. So we have we have 3 long beep and then 2 short beep. Now this beep could indicate different problems on the PC. It could be as a result of a malfunctioning RAM, and at the same time it could also be as a result of power failure on the system. So the first thing we will do here is to go ahead to unplug the charging cable. If you have the charging cable connected to the PC, just unplug the charger from the PC, and then you want to go ahead now to press and hold on the power button for 15 seconds. So just press and hold the power button. Just keep holding it until after 15 seconds counts down. Alright, so after 15 seconds, then you want to go ahead now to power on the laptop. So guys, as you can see, the first method did not actually help in this case. It's still making the beeping sound and the caps lock key is still blinking. So the first method did not solve this problem. Now if this method worked for you, then you should let me know in the comment section. Now for this scenario, I'll be proceeding to the second method to show you another thing that you can actually try to see if the method 2 is going to work. Alright, so for the second method, what you want to do here is to open the back of your laptop. Here I've already loosened out all the screws. Open the back, and then you want to go ahead now to remove the battery. So here I will unscrew the battery and then pull it off from the terminal. If you have any CMOS battery connected to the system, go ahead to unplug the CMOS battery and then you follow this step. After removing and hold on the power button. So this time around, what we want to do is to discharge all the residual power from the board. So it's going to clear all the power from the board, which could cause that beeping sound we are trying to boot to Windows. After 15 seconds, then you go ahead to reattach your battery. Then you want to go ahead to power it on now. So guys, as you can see, so this did not also work. The second method did not work. So the third method here now is to check the RAM. So we need to examine this RAM. Now like I said, that a malfunctioning RAM could also result to this beeping sound when you are trying to boot to Windows. So what I'm going to do here, I already have a RAM here. So here I have, this is PC4, and of course you know you should also get a PC4 when you are trying to replace the RAM. So this is PC4, so I'm going to go and take out this RAM. I'll take it out and then I'll replace it. Let's see if it's gonna work. Alright guys, as you can see, the laptop is now coming on and it's actually booting to Windows now. You can see here it's working and it's now booting to Windows. So let's just wait for the laptop to boot to Windows. Okay guys, so as you can see here, you have successfully resolved this beeping sound when you are trying to boot up your laptop. Now this is as a result of a malfunctioning RAM. So if any of those two methods did not work for you, what you should just do is to get another compatibility RAM that your system is using and then try to replace the RAM and check if that helps. Alright, so that's a quick on how to solve this error problem on your HP laptop. If you find it really interesting, I would like you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Techmastery Pro if today is your first time, and let me know in the comment section any of this method that was able to help and fix the problem. Alright, so catch you in the next one. Bye for now.